Hello, fellow campers. I'm Vic. Corinne is watching me do another upgrade. And if you don't know who we are the real weekend warriors. So today, G&G is getting ready to get another upgrade. And that is, we're going to put some privacy tint on these lovely windows that we have that is allowing all this extra sunlight in. The reason why we're doing this is, on the campground, people love to walk by and try to look into your rig to see what you got. So these are from Lowe's. It's glare control window film. And these are different. I've done our house, and these look a little bit easier than what I had to do for the house. One, the house is mirrored. These are smoke, and according to this, these are peel and stick. So we're about to find out how well this is going to go on. So this is something that's new. I've never seen the peel and stick before, so this is going to be interesting. So I've already taken the measurements on my window and the height, and got the measurements on here, but you always measure twice, cut once. That's the same. So I will do another measurement just to verify that I am going to put this, I have the correct length to do this window back here. And it looks as if I may end up doing the top first, and then we have slides at the bottom. So we'll see. We'll work on that as we get to it. So, hello everybody. Measuring twice. 27 wide, which is from up to down. And then we're going to do the length. Seven. So that is, I'm going to find the markings here. Almost 6 feet. And according to the measurements on here, it is 3 feet wide by 6 feet long. 6.5 feet, which is plenty. Yeah, plenty. So, take it out the box. Here's what we have, and this is different than what I did before because it has the peeled paper on the back. So this is a peel and stick, and I will have eventually Corinne come in and help me, because I will need her help. Every time she's asking me when I'm doing some job around the house, or if it has to do with the rig, need some help? Yes, he is going to be helpful. So this is what it looks like here. And as soon as I peel this, the white portion off, going to stick. Let me make sure. Corinne's telling me no, that's not it. No. I have to, according to this, I have to wet the peeler, which is, this is what this is called, and application solution and remove liner. So, where are we at? I gotta wet the window with the application solution, and then remove the liner.
It sounds like
I'm going to need that. So we have here a window film application kit that you can buy that you're going to need. All right. So we have a squeegee in here. We also have a little knife cutter to cut the film. We have the spray also. Open this stuff up and get it ready. Corinne's already cleaned the windows. You definitely want to clean your windows, wipe them down, and make sure they're completely dry of all dust before you start this. So, cutter, squeegee. This paper here is it's a low length cloth, and you're just going to kind of wipe down any excess spray that you're doing. And then we have the window spray application. Alrighty, so according to the box, I got to wet the window down with the application, and then remove the liner. Apply film to the window. Corinne's telling me I'm skipping a step, I think. Yes, dear.
make sure the size is correct before you peel that film off. Before you peel that off.
I'm going to do one side first.
But you got to get the sides.
Well, so what Corinne is saying is I have to get the sides correct to the window. Okay? So I'm going to have to cut off about 8 to 10 inches. But we may be able to apply spray, peel, and then stick this on here and completely press. And then once we get everything nice and smooth, we cut off the excess.
That's a very good point, Victor. You can do it that way too.
So Chris said I can do it that way too. So, but thank you for your tip, your input. I'm just saying it because we're on camera. Okay, so I will need her help when we go to stretch this out. We're going to spray the window down, and then we're going to apply, well, we got to peel this. I think we want to start to peel this first, and then spray, and then we can apply this. I know. I got her confused. It says to spray and then peel, but I want to get a section started. So then we'll spray, and then it'll already be peeled and ready for us to peel off. I'm not doing the whole thing. I'm just getting like a small corner peeled, so when we're actually ready to do this, we can go ahead and slap it up. You'll see how this is done. So, first we're going to peel it, because right now, if I had went ahead and sprayed first and then came and tried to peel this, the spray is sitting there running down the window, and because the sun is out and the sun is hitting directly on the window, it would be drying while I'm sitting here trying to get this film apart. So I want to get this first. Pause it. Okay, we got one window down. Back window. Now we're working on side windows. And we have to apply the window film application. We have to spray this on before we apply the window film. Spray this on, apply it, and now I have to take off the backing, which would be this white portion here. Once I get that off, I have to spray again the complete film, and then with the applicator, the squeegee, I have to smooth it out. Smooth it out as best as possible. There will be some bubbles, but over time that will disappear. It'll evaporate. So do the best as you can. Right now, I'm getting ready to work on taking the white portion off. I'm still in my work clothes. We both are in our work clothes. As soon as we came home, started working on the rig. Getting her updated.
Yeah, it's amazing all that free time we thought we had. Now the free time is put into G&G. But it's all good. Once we get her to weight just how we want her, the hard part will be over.
Okay, so you have to be careful when you pull this white portion up, because the film on the bottom, which is the smoke film, will also want to come up with it. So with your squeegee, you just kind of put a little bit of pressure on it, and then slowly pull away so that it does not come off. The film does not come off as you do it.
I think I'm gonna give it a hand.
Having two hands, or having a total of 2 people, 4 hands, helps a lot. It'd be very, very difficult to do this by yourself.
And I think that's because these windows are so big.
Yeah.
If you had an average size window, you maybe can do it with one person.
Like when I did our house windows, I was able to do that by myself. Next, after removing that backing, you're going to spray the window down again with the window film application solution. Sort of like a mist, trying to get everything. You'll see the bubbles that need to be that are in the film, so just slowly start working them out. It's a process.
Yeah, that's the tedious part.
Yes.
It's getting all the bubbles out. I can only imagine that's why they charge you so much to tint your windows if you don't have the patience.
Yeah, that's true. That is true.
Also, you can kind of see this window over here we hadn't done yet, and you can kind of see the difference in the films, and we'll give you a better shot once he's done.
So have patience. This is, like Corinne said, this is the tedious part. Get the bubbles out. I start from the top and put pressure and work my way down. That way the fluid that's on the window and in between the film is also worked down to the bottom. So we're going to stop the film right here for now, so that you guys don't have to keep sitting here watching me as I'm still doing this. We will come back with the finished product, and then you compare the windows to see what it looks like. So we will be right back.
Stay tuned.
All right, everybody. We are done with all of our windows. I took some still photos so you will be able to see the difference in how the tint makes the rig looks. I'm going to switch the camera around real quick so you can see the windows. Now you're looking at it right there, and it seems like there's nothing has been done, but when we step outside you're going to see the difference. Step outside, and you really can't tell, but yeah, you can. You can tell. There's the difference. See that cloud in the background there on the window? You wouldn't have been able to see that before if there was no film there. So, all of our windows are now done. There, Corinne did the ones on the side, the smaller ones. She helped me with the larger windows to do. That looks very good too. This emergency exit window here, completely done. And then this was the very last window that I did. That's in the bedroom, and it is done. So that is another upgrade for G&G, Gloria and Geraldine. So, hope you guys like that video on our upgrades, and I'm sure we'll have a couple of more, but for right now, we are very satisfied with what we did. So, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you need any information about the film, again, we got these films from Lowe's. Very simple kit to do. You will need another person to help you out unless you're doing a smaller window, but it is a little time consuming, but it is it'll help you out in the end. Very good. So with that being said, if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, share. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell up there in the upper corner. And thank you guys for 100 subscribers. We really appreciate it. That shows that we are putting out some good videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. So until then, we are the real Weekend Warriors. We're out. Peace.